Discover the ultimate relaxation tool for your tired feet, the Agaro Regency Manual Foot Spa Bath Massager. This amazing device combines the soothing power of heat with 12 massage rollers to give you the perfect at-home spa experience. Step into comfort as the heating function warms up the water, providing relief to your sore muscles and improving blood circulation. With adjustable temperature controls, you can customize the heat to your liking. The 12 massage rollers gently target key pressure points on your feet, reducing fatigue and stress. Whether you've had a long day at work or an intense workout, this foot spa is your answer to instant relaxation. The Agaro Regency Foot Spa is easy to use, compact, and perfect for your self-care routine. It's the ideal way to pamper yourself or even gift someone who needs some relaxation in their life. Invest in your well-being and experience the luxury of a spa at home. Say goodbye to foot pain and hello to comfort with the Agaro Regency Manual Foot Spa Bath Massager. Your feet deserve this. For more details, click the link below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of amazing products like this.